Have you ever thought about running but felt too intimidated to start? Maybe you're worried you're not fit enough or that you might get injured? Well, here's the truth. Anyone can start running, even if you've never run a mile in your life. So stick around, because today we're breaking down exactly how you can start running safely, lose weight, and feel better than ever. Ready? Let's go. Running is more than just a workout. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Here's why. Improves mental health. Running releases endorphins, also known as the feel-good hormones. It's like a natural antidepressant. Even a short run can help you feel less stressed and more energized. Aids in weight loss. If you're looking to shed some pounds, running is one of the best activities. It burns a lot of calories and helps boost your metabolism, even when you're done running. Strengthens the heart. Running is amazing for your heart. It increases cardiovascular fitness, lowering your risk of heart disease. Think of it as a workout for your heart muscle. Builds community. Running isn't just a solo activity. It can be a great way to meet people, join local running clubs, or simply connect with other runners online. All these benefits sound amazing, right? But how do you actually get started, especially if you're not in great shape yet? Let's break it down step by step. How to start running safely as a beginner. The key to getting started is to start slow. Running is a journey, not a race. Here's how to begin without risking injury. Tip 1. Start with a walk-run method. Don't try to run a full mile on your first day. Instead, use the walk-run method. Start with a brisk 5-minute walk, then jog lightly for 1 minute, and walk again for 2 minutes. Repeat this for about 20 to 30 minutes. Over time, you can increase the running intervals. Tip 2. Get proper footwear. This one's important, especially if you're carrying extra weight. Invest in good running shoes with proper cushioning. It'll reduce the impact on your knees and joints, making running much more comfortable. Tip 3. Focus on your form. Running isn't just about moving fast, it's about moving correctly. Keep your posture upright, relax your shoulders, and land softly on your midfoot rather than your heels. This will help prevent injuries. Tip 4. Listen to your body. Your body will tell you when it needs a break. Don't ignore any sharp pain. It's better to walk than push through an injury. Remember, consistency beats intensity every time. Now, let's address some common concerns that might be holding you back. Concern 1. I'm too overweight to run. Running can be intimidating if you're carrying extra weight, but here's the secret. Every step counts. Even starting with a fast-paced walk or light jog can kickstart your weight loss journey. As you get lighter, running will feel easier. Concern 2. I get out of breath too quickly. This is normal. Your body needs time to adapt. That's why the walk-run method is perfect for beginners. Plus, as your heart and lungs get stronger, you'll notice a big difference in your stamina. Concern 3. I'm worried about my knees. Running does put stress on your joints, but with proper shoes and good form, you can minimize the impact. Consider starting on softer surfaces like trails or a treadmill. And don't forget, strengthening exercises for your legs can help protect your knees. Ready to give it a try? Here's a simple running plan for your first 4 weeks. Week 1-2, 3 sessions per week, 5-minute warm-up walk. Alternate between 1-minute jogging and 2-minute walking for 20 to 30 minutes. Week 3-4, increase jogging time to 2 minutes with 1-minute walking intervals. Aim for 30 minutes per session. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Don't be discouraged if it feels tough at first. It gets easier. Imagine this. 3 months from now, you're running longer, feeling stronger, and loving the new energy you have every day. All it takes is that first step. Don't let fear hold you back. Put on your shoes, take a deep breath, and just start. Even if it's just a walk, you're closer to your goals than you think. You've got this. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health and fitness advice. And let us know in the comments if you're taking that first step today. See you next time, and happy running.